So right now here in the Lancer cockpit, I already changed, as I say, the brake shoes, and I already leave it right here. So the first thing you are going to do to adjust your brake, your parking brake, is to take off these two screws, and here are gonna be two clips that you are going to clip off. So after doing that, as you can see, I already take off this console. So you are gonna see right here, right under here, this knot that you are gonna tie. You are gonna screw that knot to adjust this right height, and right here you are going to do it with a 10 millimeter socket, so to reduce the throw on that emergency brake. You can see right here I have the 10 millimeter socket, so I'm gonna screw this to reduce the throw on this, and then you only need to put your center console again, like this as you take it off. So as you can see, I already put the center console, and as you can see, I shortened the throw in this emergency brake. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope you like it. Subscribe, share, comment, and see you on the next video.